Hi guys. All right, so today I'm gonna show you how to shade an ear real quick, and I'm gonna show you the easiest way is, all right, if you look right here, if you see, it's a Y, okay? So you're gonna form a C, you're gonna do a Y, and then you're gonna do that little shape on the middle, okay? And that's gonna be the easiest way to shade an ear. So I am gonna be looking at mine while I draw this. I'm gonna take my pencil. Okay, I've got my pencil. Then I'm going to, I'll just use this one. I gotta sharpen it real quick, you guys, because there we go, good enough. So I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna start with my C. Okay, and then I'm gonna kinda, almost looks like a question mark, but I see the C or a question mark, and I'm gonna go right here. Okay, now I'm gonna draw my Y. Let's see, I might wanna adjust it a little more. There's my Y, that's better. Okay, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna do that little funky shape. Okay, I might wanna come in a little bit more. All right, so now that I have that, okay, all I'm gonna do is I am gonna adjust this one right here a little bit. I adjust my Y, okay? Why do I adjust the Y? Because I feel like it needs it. There. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna kind of shade on the edges right there. This part right here is shaded. Okay, you guys? This part's gonna be shaded. I'm gonna leave a little bit white because when I go in with my Q-tip, it's gonna blend and bring out like a little mini value scale on the inside. Come down. Oops, I'm gonna come down. I'm gonna shade this part because that comes in, and this part is gonna be dark. All right. This is like the little tunnel in your ear. Okay. I actually think I'm gonna erase a little bit right there. Clean this up. Because I'm looking at my example, and it's like gonna be the tunnel part, the dark part's like right here, okay? This is like kind of where it's shaded. This is a little bit shaded. I'm gonna come right here, shade this part. Okay, it's okay if it's a little messy, you guys. It's not a big deal. All right, and we're gonna kind of, all right, so look, we got an ear going. I'm gonna take my Q-tip. All right, or a blending stump. Again, you guys, it doesn't really matter to me, okay? And do all the dark spots first. And remember, this doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just looking for good enough. Because anything we do, we can always hide it in our shading. We can always go and erase back, okay? That's my Q-tip. I can always kind of like clean it up a little bit, bold up my lines. Okay. Clean this part up a little. And then I'm gonna kind of add some shading to the inside of the ear because you guys, it's not blank white paper for your shading. Believe it or not, there is some tone. There's not a lot of tone, but there is. Okay. All right. And then I'm gonna kind of darken that up a little bit and then kind of lighten that up. I feel like this needs some shading, so give me a second. And when I shade, you guys, I shade with the form, okay? And I'm just gonna do light, all right? Just like that. Go shade. Now the reason I'm adding the tone is because it allows me to erase back to get some highlights, to make it look more three-dimensional, make it look round. Okay, and then my Y. Okay. If I need to add more, I'll add more. And that's basically it, you guys. Okay? And I feel like that line needs to be kind of erased a little bit. So I'm going to erase that line. And then I'm going to just kind of go back in, blend it out. And there you go. You got an ear? Oh, if you want, they had earrings. There you go. The earring hole. Whatever you want to call it. All right?